Mobile assembly. In this video, we are going to demonstrate for you how easy it is to assemble an Elements mobile unit. We will be assembling an Elements mobile starter unit, but before we get started, let's make sure we have all the necessary parts. In your package, you will receive all the components needed to assemble a complete unit. The only tool you will need to provide is a rubber mallet. Mobile starter units ship with pre-assembled post kits. If your post kits are pre-assembled, you can fast forward to the section titled Installing Dovetails. Components needed for assembly. To assemble a Camshelving Elements mobile unit, you will need 4 mobile posts, 8 wedges, 2 top post connectors, 2 bottom post connectors, 8 mobile traverses, 32 mobile dovetails, 16A and 16B, shelf plates for 4 shelves, 4 casters, and a mobile assembly instruction manual. Post kit assembly. Also, we recommend you have an additional person to assist you in assembling the shelving unit. If you look closely on the posts, you will notice that the recessed design on each of the sides is different. The side with the Cambro product code label should always be facing inward. Start by attaching the wedges on the first notch of the top of the posts, 1 on each side. You will hear them click into place. Now repeat the same on the second post. We will then attach the top post connector. The top post connector is solid on top. The bottom post connector is open on both sides. We will use only the top post connector for this part of the assembly, so we will set the bottom post connector aside for now. Next, attach the top post connector to the posts over the wedges on each end. Using your rubber mallet, gently tap on each end until the top post connector is set into place. Do not tap on the center. Next, we will install the bottom post connector. The bottom post connector is open on both ends. Push the bottom post connector a few notches to give you enough room to insert the bottom wedges. Now we will attach the bottom wedges and bottom post connector. For mobile units, it is important that the bottom post connector is installed on the first notch from the bottom. This helps provide better stabilization. Now repeat the same on the second post. We have just assembled a mobile post kit. Now repeat the same instructions to assemble your second post kit. Installing mobile dovetails. Now that you have assembled your 2 post kits, it is time to install the mobile dovetails and mobile traverses. Take a set of mobile dovetails, 1A and 1B dovetail. The A dovetail is always in your right hand and the B dovetail is always in the left. You will notice how these two connect together. Posts come standard with notches every 4 inches for custom shelf spacing depending on your storage needs. Starting from the bottom, attach the dovetails onto the post. To make it easier, install 1 dovetail at a time. Locate the dovetail placement notch and angle the dovetail. Installing mobile traverses. We will now install the mobile traverses onto the Elements mobile unit. You will notice that the traverse end pieces that attach to the post are labeled A on one end and B on the other end. The A side of the traverse will always be on your right side and the B on your left side. Attach the traverse by inserting the wraparound traverse end piece onto the post. Using your rubber mallet, tap gently on each end so the traverse slides in evenly on each side. Continue to do this until the traverse end piece is attached all the way onto the mobile dovetail on both sides. Do not hit the center of the traverse with the mallet. Now install the dovetails on the opposite post and repeat the same instructions on the other end. Determine the position where you want your next shelf to be placed. We will repeat the same instructions for each of the levels until all the dovetails and traverses are attached. Now that we have installed all the dovetails and traverses, it is time to set in the casters. Turn the unit onto its side and simply screw in the casters, making sure they are securely screwed in. stand the unit up in vertical position, and complete the assembly by adding the shelf plates. There you have it. We have just assembled a Camshelving Elements Series mobile unit.